Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the shake transition tutorial in CapCut PC. So here I've already imported two clips to my CapCut PC, and then next what you need to do is go to the transitions at the top and then click on the camera and choose the pull in. Okay, this one's right here. Click on the add track and it will be added to your video. And then after that, go to video effects and then click on the video effect, go to basic. I'm going to put the cursor, the pointer in here, and then select the shake effect. Okay, scroll down until you find shake. Oops. Okay, this one, add it to your tracks, and then after that place the effect in between the video, then make it short as possible. So I'm going to go with like this, and then after that go to the video effect again and select the diamond zoom effect. Okay, this one, add it to track and place it like the first effect you added, but make it a little bit longer like this. Okay, and then after that click on the second clip and go to animation in and then select the rock vertically animation. Okay, this one, and adjust the duration of the animation into 0.4 seconds. And now here is the shake transition in CapCut PC. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there. And also don't forget to click on the thanks bell for the videos. Bye!